All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Okay?
Sure.
Just relax, calm down, answer every question, take it as a friendly conversation with the examiner. Let's start with you. Do you like photography?
Yes, I would. I love photography. Whenever I'm outside, I take some pictures. However, and I search beautiful views pictured in internet as well. Besides this, there are some websites in internet which upload some photographies of different countries, and I also watch those pictures and those views of the different countries. And photography is my favorite hobby.
Very good. Let's go on. Do you prefer to take photos yourself or you want other people to take your photos?
To be honest, I love to take selfies. Unfortunately, my selfies doesn't come correct, and I give sometimes a chance to my friends to take some different selfies together, and I give mobile to them to take pictures. However, taking pictures is not my hobby, but I do prefer sometimes to take pictures.
All right. How long have you liked taking photographs?
Pardon?
How long have you liked taking photographs?
Sorry.
Like, how long have you been doing this hobby?
I have been taking pictures since my brother brought smartphones to me. And at that time, I was really keen of taking pictures. But nowadays, I'm just like fed up of taking pictures, and what is an essential part, like any some ceremony of my friends' wedding parties or some other ceremonies. So I do prefer to take pictures.
Would you like to learn more about photography in the future?
Yes, I would. I love to take pictures and I love to know more about photographies. And however, it has an amazing effect on mindset as well, especially on my mindset. When I take pictures and I see it comes very efficiently and nicely, it gives me a positive energy to take more pictures and to give more time to photography.
Okay, so therefore, I would love to learn photographic techniques in the future. Link
Sure,
it with the main question.
sure, I would.
Overall, it's good. Your accent is quite fine. You're speaking very fluently. That's
Thank you,
good.
sir.
There are minor grammatical mistakes. And the important thing is, whatever you speak, in the end, you need to conclude it and link it with the main question. Okay?
That's why
That's for
we are
you.
for, in fact.
Okay,
Actually.
don't
Thank
worry.
you, sir.
You'll be fine. All right, now let's go on. It's your turn. What is your favorite type of entertainment, television or internet?
My favorite type of entertainment is internet because there are more creative ideas on internet. If I would like to see some movies on Netflix, like I can search on internet easily. Moreover, if I need some study data materials, I would like to prefer internet in my leisure time also.
Okay, can you live without internet?
It's I cannot live without internet because internet has made an essential part of our life
Has
nowadays.
become.
Has become
Internet has become essential part of our life nowadays, okay?
nowadays because the world is going to be like globalization. So we need internet to with connecting with our friends, with family through social media or WhatsApp also.
Okay, let's go on. What do you usually do on the internet?
Uh, in my leisure time or in my usual time, I do many things. But I mentioned earlier that as I go on internet and search Netflix movies, so
Okay, do you prefer to use mobile data or Wi-Fi?
I prefer to use mobile data because it is very convenient for me. If we are using Wi-Fi, so it's like we are dependent to Wi-Fi. Where is the router located? So if I am using mobile data, so I can take it anyway or any area.
All right, is internet expensive in your country?
No, internet is not too much expensive in our country because of many franchises which are providing us the internet data.
Okay, that's good. So in the end, you need to conclude your answer. Okay, there should be proper conclusion. You're speaking well, you're speaking fluently, you understand the question well as well. But in the end, there should be proper conclusion and try to use topic-related vocabulary. If the question is about internet, so you can use the word website, URL, this and that. So try to use topic related vocabulary, synonyms, that will bring you a good pen score, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all the
Thank you.
best.